What's up everybody, Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with a new video, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new camera that we just recently purchased that's going to make its way into our everyday carry, and that is the Olympus Pen F. Alright everybody, once again, thank you for stopping on by. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so you're notified each and every time we post content to this channel. So recently we've been talking a little bit about the Osmo Pocket, and we still have a couple of videos that are in the pipeline that are coming down as far as creating cinematic footage and editing that footage in Premiere. So again, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. However, today I wanted to talk about a camera that holds a special place in my heart, not necessarily this digital version, but the film version of the Olympus Pen F, because I shot so many rolls of film through the original Olympus Pen that I no longer own. I had to sell it years and years and years ago. My goal is to get one back, but I was able to purchase the digital version from Olympus, the Olympus Pen F, and you'll see it right here in all of its glory. Now right now it's in a genuine leather half-body case, which I ultimately love the aesthetics of this. I just love the way it looks. And right now it is on a wrist strap from Peak Design. I'm going to be doing a full review on this Peak Design wrist strap. That is the cuff wrist strap right here, courtesy of Peak Design. So again, if you're new, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more footage and more reviews of Peak Design products, specifically this wrist strap that I have attached to the Olympus Pen. But moving on to the Olympus Pen right now, this half case comes from a company called Garez or Garez. I'm not sure how you want to pronounce that. This case retails for about $100. It is genuine leather. It does provide a little bit of a grip. You can see that little raised portion right there, which kind of adds to the grip of the camera. I really love half body cases because they still allow for the aesthetics of the camera body itself, which the Olympus Pen right now currently is being adapted with some vintage lenses. Right now it is utilizing the 28mm Canon FD lens, and again, if you are a longtime follower of the channel, you know that I absolutely love adapting lenses, specifically vintage lenses, to modern day camera bodies, and this is no other. This is a micro four thirds sensor, so I already had an adapter, and of course I had my trusty Canon FD glass. And some of the pictures that I can get from this so far, and I'm going to be posting some right now as I talk over it, have been pretty amazing. It allows for some very moody photos. Recently we had a few thunderstorms come through the area, and I was able to capture some pretty amazing shots while driving out and about. And then one or two from my backyard. So you'll see right here that some of these images just look incredible, and they look really sharp, and that does come courtesy of this old FD glass with this very cheap, it's a Canon FD micro four thirds mount. And again, the images that I'm getting out of this so far are pretty incredible. The Pen F offers a articulating tilt screen, which is okay as far as, you know, the ability to have that. I don't necessarily use it. As a matter of fact, usually I have it off because I do a lot of my reviewing through the eyepiece itself. I did not purchase this camera necessarily for any of the internal specs. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check out some of the internal specs courtesy of Olympus's website. Reason why I bought this is Olympus has always held a pretty significant place in my heart courtesy of their film cameras. And if you've read the news about Olympus, they're not doing so well, so I wanted to purchase a Pen F camera to kind of keep a piece of them with me, if you will, as they go through all of their restructuring and potentially not being able to make cameras anymore. This is obviously the newer one, the Pen F. There are some older pens out there that I'm looking at as well that I might want to get my hands on, and they're pretty cheap right now. This one I did get used. This is secondhand. I bought this off of eBay for $550. So to me, that was a steal. It was body only, but again, I knew I was going to be adapting my vintage lenses. I also have a body cap lens, and if you don't know what a body cap lens is, it's basically a body cap that actually has a little lens inside. And this one right here is it's about 5 years old, 4 years old. It's a 15mm, so if you put this on a micro four thirds, it's essentially double, so it's a 30mm. Completely manual focus. It does not have any kind of electronics in it. Everything is plastic. But it's still a pretty cool lens, and there are some pretty cool images that I got with this lens through the pictures that you've already seen. But also I wanted to show you is a lens that I currently got, and it's going to be kind of a travel lens just to take with me as I'm wanting to capture some images. Again, this camera was really just bought to just take, grab, go with, and I wanted something that had a very, very long reach, not worrying about the f-stops or anything like that. Just wanted to have a lens, kind of an all-purpose travel lens. And in steps this lens that Olympus just recently discounted to $100, and that is the M Zukio Digital ED, the 400 to 150 millimeter 4.0 to 5.6. So this lens right here is going to be primarily on and with me when I do take the Olympus Pen, along with possibly the 28mm or the 24mm Canon FD lens, and then this little body cap lens right here. And those are going to be the lenses that I take with me to capture some images. So again, stay tuned to the channel. I'll be posting my results on my Instagram, which you can just search PetRockMedia. I'll leave links to all my social medias down below. So again, stay tuned to the channel. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so, and I'll catch each and every one of you in the next video. Peace.